Okay, students, today we will look at measurement concept in research. Okay, because while doing research and especially when there are variables, we have to measure it. Now, this measurement is very important because when we apply especially various tests and all, measurement concept will come into picture, and we need to be very sure with what is measurement, how do we do it, etc. Okay. Now, let us look at the meaning of measurement. Measurement means assigning numbers or some other symbols to the characteristics of a certain objectives. So, when numbers are used, the researcher must have a rule for assigning number to an observation in such a way that the provides accurate description. For example, qualitative terms like satisfied, not satisfied, dissatisfied. How do we give a number for that? Now, there is a rating scale like a Likert rating scale, which says highly satisfied is 5 and highly dissatisfied is 1. So, this is now measurement, okay, assigning number. Scaling is an extension of measurement. Scaling involves creating continuum on which measurement subjects are located. Just now I have given example of Likert scale, that is scaling. Now, let us look at measurement scales. Okay. Now, there are 4 types of measurement scale. The first one is nominal. Remember, the first one is nominal and it is the most lowest level of measurement. Here just the numbers are assigned for the purpose of identification, very important one. Purpose of number assigning is just for identification. For example, are you married question, yes or no. Okay. Now, yes may be given 1 or no may be given 0, or no may be given 1 or yes may be given 0. Okay. Now, this is just for identification. Now, place, for example, region where you come from, rural or urban. Rural may be given 1, urban may be given 0. Okay. This is now nominal scale. Okay. Second type of measurement scale is ordinal scale. It is just next level of measurement which is just above our nominal scale. So, nominal scale is just for identification. This is where there is an order. Okay. So, see, one of the limitation of nominal scale measurement is that we cannot say whether the assigned number to an object is higher or lower. So, married yes or unmarried no is not greater or lower. So, in such case we will use ordinal. For example, designation assistant professor, professor, associate professor. Now, assistant professor is the lowest level and then comes associate professor, then comes professor. So, you can give order. Okay. This is order, grading, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. So, there is a grading order. Okay. Now, there you can identify the order. Now, the third level of measurement is interval scale. Okay. Now, this is the next level of order measurement. Now, it takes care of the limitation of ordinal measurement where the difference between the score in the ordinal does not have a meaningful interpretation. Now, just now I told about these rating scales, higher, highly satisfied, highly dissatisfied, satisfied, neither satisfied nor dissatisfied. So, now there is a difference is same. Okay. Now, that is called as interval. Okay. Now, for example, age 25 to 15 to 30 one level, 31 to 45 another level. So, difference is 15 only. Now, that is called as interval scale where the measurement where the difference between two scores are same and it is gives a meaningful interpretation. The last measurement scale is ratio scale where it is a highest level of measurement where it takes care of limitation of all the other measurement scales like nominal, ratio and interval. This is now for example, what is your age, direct question. So, you will get an exact answer 30, or what is your age, again it is maybe 40. Okay, then what is the mileage of your vehicle? So, exactly 40 or 20. So, this is called as ratio scale. These are the 4 levels of measurement which everyone should be knowing, because when we are doing research, especially when we do questionnaire and when we assign a test or use statistics, we need to understand what is the variable measurement scale, whether it is nominal or ratio or interval or ordinal. Now, all this makes a biggest difference, and if you identify properly each scale, the study becomes very easy. Okay. Now, this is all about measurement. I have not touched upon Likert scale and other scalings, just I have told how to measure the data. So, okay, this is data measurement. Thank you very much.